Okay, so the first kanji that I decided to do is yama, which means mountain, and it's also pronounced as san, and you can use it in the word yama, which means mountain. And a way to remember it is because it has three lines, which kind of look like the tops or like the peaks of a mountain. And the second one I chose to do was ima, which means now, and you can also use it in the word kyo, which means today. And I'm not exactly sure how to remember this one, but I took Mandarin for a year, and this was one of the first characters that you learn, and it's kind of ingrained in you. And it's a really simple character, so I think it's pretty easy to learn. And then the third one I chose was onna, which means woman, and you can use it in onanoko, which means girl. And again, I don't really know how to make a picture out of this one, but again, it's a super pretty, like it's a super simple kanji, so I don't really think it's gonna be that hard to remember. Then the fourth one is mi, which means to see, and I used it in the word hanami, which means flower viewing. And if you turn it on its side, it kind of looks like an eyeball with nerves. So I guess that's one way to remember it. And then lastly is ta, which means to eat, and you can use it in the word tabemono, which means food, and it has the radical of a person on top, so that's kind of helpful. But I think the easiest way would just be to practice it and also use it in the word nomu for drink. So